us today?
That's a great idea. Let's go to Boardy the Board.
To the board.
To the board. To the magical boardy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Imagination comes alive.
Hello, Fred and Fiona. What would you like me to draw today?
I have an idea. Boardy, can you draw a train for us?
That's not a train. A train is much bigger. That's a bicycle. Let's try again.
Oh, that's not a train either. That's a car.
How do you know?
Because a train goes choo-choo.
Choo-choo? I think we can get a train this time. Are you ready, Fred?
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3, go!
A train!
Oh, what joy! Oh, what a sight! We were together and got it right! Whee!
Hey, Fiona, what's wrong? You look sad.
It's a very nice train. But how do trains move?
Oh, wait, I know.
A flying train? Trains don't fly.
A train on the water? That's not right.
I think we can get it right this time. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3, go! Oh, what joy! Oh, what a sight! We were together and got it right!
Oh no, the train is gone.
That's okay. Boardy can help us find the train again.
First we saw a flying train, but that's not right. Trains don't fly in the sky, airplanes fly.
Then we saw the train on water, but that's not right. Boats sail on water.
That's funny. But we finally got it right. Trains move on train tracks. Very good, Fiona.
Thank you, Fred. Not too bad yourself.
Goodbye, Fred and Fiona. See you next time.